Fox 5's Morgan Mackay in the newsroom with a closer look at just what was passed and the deepening divisions being sowed throughout the country. Morgan.
Stephen and Tasha, thousands of Israeli protesters took to the streets today to protest this law that will make major changes to the country's judicial system. Many say removing a key check on Israel's parliament. The White House also responding to this move. Massive protests erupted in Israel on Monday as Israeli lawmakers approved the first step in a major overhaul to the country's judicial system. In a fiery session, the Israeli parliament passed a law that limits the Supreme Court's ability to overturn decisions made by government ministers. Protesters say that this law damages the separation of powers and removes a key check on the government. Opposition members who were in the minority and had no chance of winning the vote chanted shame as they walked out of the chamber. Crowds of angry protesters gathered outside and at least 19 people have been arrested, according to reports. Police officers mounted on horses tried to push protesters off the road and shot water cannons to try to clear away crowds. Israel's largest labor union is considering calling a national strike, and more than 10,000 military reservists are threatening to resign from duty. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, who just had a pacemaker implanted, was released from the hospital only hours before the vote. Netanyahu addressed the country after the Israeli parliament passed this law, calling it a necessary democratic move. He also suggested that they might table a broader judicial overhaul plan until late November, which protesters are rejecting as a lie.
If you don't agree with the proportional amendment that was brought, it certainly doesn't justify disrupting their lives and causing suffering to millions of citizens.
The White House has been critical of this situation that has divided Israel. State Department spokesman Matthew Miller responded on Monday.
President Biden has publicly and privately expressed his views that major changes in a democracy should be, if they're going to be enduring, must have as broad a consensus as possible. It was unfortunate that the vote today took place with the slimmest possible majority.
The U.S. provides Israel $4 billion in military aid every year. Steve, Natasha?
All right, Morgan, thank you.